Hey everyone, it's Michael and Matt from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. And what are we talking about, Matt?
World Tour.
The World Tour, well, the Australian part of the World Tour.
Our part of the world.
That's right, the important part of the world. So, come along to Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, Hobart, Adelaide, Perth, and you can meet the team. You can, I don't know, what else are we going to do, mate?
We're going to be doing presentations. We're going to be meeting and greeting, shaking hands, kissing babies, you name it. We're going
All the
to be
good
there.
things. So, come along. There'll be a link down below where you can buy your tickets. Tickets are $30 a pop. Includes some pretty serious merch from what I hear.
It is very limited edition tour merch.
Yep, only be able to get it on the tour. So, really premium stuff.
Yeah.
There will be things that we will do there. It will include drinks, non-alcoholic drinks.
Bit of finger food, all that kind of good
hors
stuff.
d'oeuvres,
Yeah.
because we're that kind of people. And it's going to be great, but it'll also be very educational, and it's a great thing for you to come along to, but also to bring family and friends along to start learning about how bullion can fit into their lives, both from an investment perspective and a stacking side, and also a collecting side, and answer some of those really sticky questions that you really want to ask a bullion dealer, but you've kind of never had a chance to. So come along. The dates. What are the dates, mate? We start off we've done Sydney.
Well, Sydney's already been done, so we'll be back again at some point. But for this
Absolutely.
tour, you still get a look in on the promo board, but been there, done that for now. Hobart will be on Sunday the 25th of September.
What time?
2 till 5.
2 till 5-ish.
Yep, and the specific details will all be in the links in the description, so I may forget some venues.
Where are we going after Hobart?
Straight up to Brisbane, also known as Bris Vegas.
Or Brisneyland.
That's going to be at the Ridges in Fortitude Valley. So that will be an evening session from 6:30 till about 9 p.m.
Yeah, he turns into a pumpkin after about 9:30.
Yeah,
so.
we've got to get our beauty sleep, mate, because then, following on from that, next stop, Adelaide, also known as Radelaide. So that will be on Sunday the 2nd of October.
That's the one.
That was another afternoon session, 2 till 5, at the venue. Ruben will put the venue because I've forgotten the name of it. The room is the Acacia Room. Forgotten the name of it. Followed by Perth.
Perth. That's going to be a huge one.
Who knows? Maybe there'll be a special location that we'll be at. Can anyone think
I think we've announced it already.
It's going to be in the Mint.
We're going to go to the Perth Mint. We're going to have a talk to everyone there. We're going to drag in as many of the Perth Mint people as we can, because it's release day for the Bullion Lunar Rabbit. So
should be
it's
good.
going to be a lot of fun and games there. So it doesn't matter. You don't have to only come to the Perth one. If you're in WA, wherever you are in the country, you can fly in and join us at any of these, other than obviously the Sydney one, which has been and gone.
Yep.
So after the wild time in Perth, when they escort us out of the town.
Yeah, if they don't let me do a pour, look out. There'll be trouble.
That's right. Where are we going next?
Hometown Melbourne.
Right.
This is going to be a big one.
This is going to be a huge finish.
It's going to be a cruise.
A cruise?
Should I have announced that?
Have we actually booked it?
Yeah, there may be a cruise component.
Hey!
Yeah, it's been booked. I've done it. Come on, mate.
I've told you I'm aquaphobic, haven't I?
Yeah, it'll be good. It'll be good. It'll be nice and slow, very manageable pace.
Excellent.
Cruise on the Yarra. Very,
Excellent.
very nice. Bit of a presentation as well.
Yep.
Should be good.
And again, food and finger food and non-alcoholic drinks provided.
Yep.
Should be a good evening. And again, it will be educational. All of these will be very educational, and they'll be a bit of fun as well. So come along, grab your tickets. Again, should be a link below. Click on it and get your tickets while you can. They are limited numbers. Obviously, we can only fit so many people on the cruise and in some of these rooms. So grab them while you can.
Yep. Looking forward to it.
Sounds
Can't wait.
good. Alrighty. See you there.